In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the mobile version of your Wix website. 2026 guide. Wix gives you a dedicated mobile editing space so your site can look and work beautifully on phones without messing up your desktop design. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor and click the mobile icon in the top toolbar. This switches you from the desktop canvas to the mobile interface. From here on, think mobile first. Most tweaks you make in this view, like adjusting layouts or how the header behaves, apply only to the mobile version. Your desktop site stays intact, which makes it safe to experiment and refine for small screens. A key habit for mobile editing is learning when to hide elements instead of deleting them. If something feels crowded on a phone, select the item and choose Hide Element. That removes it from mobile while keeping it on desktop. Avoid pressing the delete key if you still want it elsewhere on your site because delete removes it everywhere. If you change your mind, open the Hidden on Mobile panel from the left toolbar to review anything you've hidden and bring it back. This approach is perfect for large images, extra sections, or decorative elements that don't add value on a small display. Next, fine-tune your mobile navigation. In your header settings, adjust the scroll behavior to control whether the header stays visible or slides away as visitors move down the page. Then click your mobile menu to refine its design. You can update its look, choose animated icons if they suit your brand, and tidy the layout. For example, centering items for a balanced, touch-friendly experience. In menus and pages, you can also hide pages from the mobile menu that aren't essential on phones. Trimming the menu down helps visitors find what they need faster and reduces friction. Finally, use Wix's advanced mobile tools to polish the experience. Add a quick action bar so key actions like call or email are always within reach at the bottom of the screen. Enable a back to top button to make long pages easier to navigate with a single tap. Set the browser theme color to match your brand for a cohesive look across tabs and address bars. And if your desktop background is too busy for mobile, choose a different background just for phones to improve readability and performance. And that's it. With these focused mobile edits, you'll deliver a site that feels fast, clear, and delightful on any phone while keeping your desktop design untouched. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.